2011 was Tairāwhiti's turn to host the kapa haka, and if the 500-strong tangata whenua who met the visitors are any indication, the Te Matatini won't disappoint. The Tairāwhiti challenge began with a traditional haka. Then the East Coast added its own unique flavour when 4 kaupoi brought the challenge up to the visiting manuhiri. This was something never seen before and really set a sense of expectation and excitement for the performances to come over the next few days. 42 teams led by the Māori King have converged on Gisborne for 5 days of what has traditionally proven to be fierce competition for the Duncan McIntyre Trophy. Once the kaupoi had left the marae-atia, 24 Tairāwhiti warriors performed the haka that have been part of local traditions for more years than anyone can remember. If this was your first opportunity to witness a Powhiri, it set a standard that's going to be hard to top. The pride Tairāwhiti felt at hosting the event this year was apparent in the number of warriors who presented the challenge. The matataki was heartfelt and emotions ran high as the performance reached its climax. As the Tairāwhiti warriors made their way across the marae-atia, the crowd was treated to a spectacular wero. Once the offering had been presented and the warriors had left the marae-atia, the women, as tradition dictates, performed the karanga, and the manuhiri moved forward as one, bringing with them the competition trophies. As you would expect in a competition that has become such an important part of New Zealand's cultural heritage, there was no shortage of VIPs. Selwyn Parata, the chairman of Te Matatini, Peter Sharples, Minister of Māori Affairs, and the Māori King Tuheitia were among the many iwi leaders. And the next few days would bring the Prime Minister John Key and the Leader of the Opposition Phil Goff. The men's haka was nothing less than spectacular, and Selwyn Parata, like all of us, was caught up in the moment, removing his jacket to join his men. So although Te Matatini is a fiercely fought competition, as always, this year its relevance to all New Zealanders was clearly demonstrated at the Tairāwhiti Powhiri. Of course there were speeches. Words of welcome and wisdom from both sides expressed optimism and solidarity for the future. Tributes flowed for Pemia Nienwehi from Te Aitanga Mahaki, a long-standing exponent and teacher of haka who recently passed away this month. All in all, the 2011 Powhiri was an amazing day, which set the scene perfectly for what must be an exciting kapa haka. Te Matatini o te rā.